Ever pondered the pivotal role of forklifts in the industrial world? Just imagine a bustling warehouse without these mechanical powerhouses. It's almost impossible, right? Forklifts have indeed become an indispensable part of modern industry, enhancing efficiency and productivity like no other. Now, operating a forklift might seem like a daunting task, but it's not rocket science. With the right knowledge and training, anyone can master the art of forklift operation. And remember, safety always comes first. Before jumping into the driver's seat, it's crucial to conduct a pre-operational check. Look for any visible damages, leaks, or cracked tires. If everything seems to be in order, it's time to gear up. Buckle the seatbelt, adjust the mirrors, and ensure the handbrake is engaged. Starting a forklift isn't much different from starting a car. Turn the key and the machine roars to life. Now, to move the forklift, disengage the handbrake and select the desired direction of movement using the gear shift lever. Gently press the accelerator, and voila, you're on the move. To lift a load, approach it squarely, ensuring the forks are at the correct height. Once in position, raise the forks just enough to clear the floor. Remember, it's always safer to travel with the load low to the ground. When it comes to placing the load, accuracy is key. Approach the spot slowly, align the forks with the placement location, and gently lower the load. Once the load is secure, carefully withdraw the forks, and there you have it. Mission accomplished. While operating a forklift, it's vital to follow a few golden rules. Always maintain a safe speed, especially when turning corners. Never overload the forklift, and always ensure the load is evenly distributed. And most importantly, always be aware of your surroundings. To wrap things up, forklifts are the workhorses of the industrial world, playing an integral role in warehouse operations. Operating a forklift safely and efficiently boils down to a few key points. First, always conduct a pre-operational check to ensure everything is in order. Second, remember to buckle up before starting the forklift, and always engage the handbrake when stationary. Third, when lifting or placing a load, approach slowly and ensure the forks are at the correct height. Lastly, always follow the golden rules of forklift operation. Maintain a safe speed, never overload, and always be aware of your surroundings. Master these, and you're well on your way to becoming a proficient forklift operator. So get out there, put these tips into practice, and make your mark in the world of industry. Until next time, stay safe and keep learning.